morning children. In the last class we have seen first sum. Now in the second sum, first one completed, second one I am saying see Nana. Find the values of unknowns x and y in the following diagram. Okay, this is the second diagram. In this diagram, by observing this one, what are the points they have given? R, S, T. These are the points they have given. Triangle R, S, T. Now see, by observing this figure, we can observe what we can observe: vertical opposite angle. We can observe here vertical opposite angle. So here how much it is? X degrees. X degrees means is equal to opposite vertical angles are equal. Opposite vertical angles are equal means here we got 80. Then here also must be 80. Vertical opposite angles are equal. So right children, in the figure. In the figure, triangle RST. In the triangle RST, x degree is equal to 80 degrees. Why? Because x degrees means vertical opposite angle. So write here vertical opposite angle. Okay, vertical opposite angle. Now by observing this one, what we have to write? Angle R plus angle S plus angle T equal to 180 degrees. What are the angles and names they given? Angle R, angle S, angle T. So that's why angle R plus angle S plus angle T equal to 180 degrees means angle sum property. So angle sum property. Angle sum property. Now angle R. Angle R means how much? X degrees plus angle S means how much? 50 degrees plus angle T means how much? Y degrees equal to 180 degrees. By observing x degrees means how much we got it? 80 degrees. So 80 degrees plus 50 degrees plus y degrees equal to 180 degrees. So 80 plus 50, how much? 80 plus 50 is equal to 130 degrees plus y degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now 130 is in left side. So now I had to transpose. When I am transposing, plus 130 becomes minus 130. So right here, y degrees equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees is equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, y degrees equal to 50 degrees. Okay? Do you understand, Anna? Now by observing you can find out. See here 50. X degrees means how much we got it? 80. Here 50. So 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 80, 180. So the triangle RST is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Now we'll see the next sum. Next figure, children. What is the next diagram they have given? M N A X degrees, Y degrees, 60 degrees, 50 degrees. Now, what is the diagram they have given here, Nana? What are the points they given? M, N, A. These are the points. For M, how much they have given? 50 degrees. For N, by observing N, we can observe here one is interior and one is exterior. One is interior and another one is exterior. Interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So, right here. in triangle. What are the points they given? M, N, A. Okay, M, N, A. Now, x degree is equal to angle M plus angle A. Angle M plus angle A. So, it is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Now, x degrees equal to angle M means how much we got it? 50 degrees plus angle A means how much we got it? 60 degrees. So, x degrees equal to 60 plus 50, 110 degrees. So, x degrees value how much we got it? 110 degrees. Now, see, in also x degrees plus y degrees equal to 180 degrees. Okay, x degrees plus y degrees equal to 180 degrees. X degrees means how much we got it? 110 plus y degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now, 110 is in left side. Now, I have to transpose to RHS. So, y degrees equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So, therefore, implies y degrees equal to 110 minus 180 minus 110 means 70 degrees. Therefore, y degrees equal to 70 degrees. Okay, children, do you understand the sum? Once again, I am repeating. See here, they have given the triangle. In this, what are the triangle they have given and the points M, N, A. So, x degrees equal to angle M plus angle A, exterior angle property. Angle M means 50, angle A means 60. So, x degrees equal to 50 plus 60. So, x degrees equal to 110 degrees. Also, x degrees plus y degrees equal to 185 because it is exterior. So, it is equal to 180 degrees. So, 110 degrees plus y degrees equal to 180. Y degrees equal to 110 transpose to RHS, then it becomes minus. So, 180 minus 110 means 70. Okay, now we'll see the next triangle. What is the next triangle they have given? A, B, C, 60 degrees, x degrees, y degrees, 30 degrees. Okay. Now, what are the points they have given? A, B, C. So, right here, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, by observing this one, what are these? These are vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. Means here 60 means how much must be here? Here also must be 60. So, therefore, implies x degrees equal to 60 degrees. X degrees equal to 60. Vertical opposite angles. Here how much it is there? 60. So, here also must be 60. If you are having 50 here, here also must be 50. Okay, children. So, right here, vertical opposite angles. Okay. Now, by observing this one, right here, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. What is this? Angle sum property. So, right here, angle sum property. Angle sum property. Now, angle A means how much we got it? Y degrees plus angle B means how much we got it? 30 degrees. Angle C means how much we got it? X degrees equal to 180 degrees. So, y degrees plus 30 degrees plus x degrees means how much we got it? 60 degrees. 60 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So implies y degree is equal to 60 plus 30, 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now I want y value, so I have to transpose plus 90 to right side. It becomes minus 90. Therefore implies y degree is equal to 180 minus 90 degrees. Therefore y degree is equal to 90 degrees. Okay children, you understand? So y degree is equal to 90 degrees. Now we'll see the next triangle. See the next triangle, fifth one. In this fifth one, E, F, G, x degrees, x degrees. What are the points here? They given Anna E, F, G. Right here in triangle E, F, G. In triangle E, F, G. Y equal to y degrees equal to here. What we can observe? Vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles means y degrees equal to 90 degrees. Y degrees equal to 90 degrees. Vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. Now, right here. Also, in E, F, G angle E plus angle F plus angle G equal to 180 degrees. Angle E plus angle F plus angle G equal to 180 degrees. Means it is angle sum property. Now, angle E means how much we got it? Y degrees plus angle F means how much we got it? X degrees plus angle G means how much we got it? X degrees equal to 180 degrees. Implies y degrees means how much we got? 90 degrees plus x, 2x degrees equal to 180 degrees. Now plus 90, when I transpose it becomes minus 90. So 2x degrees equal to 180 minus 90 degrees. So 2x degrees equal to 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. So now I want x degrees value. So it is in multiplication. When I am transposing it becomes division. So implies x degrees equal to 90 by 2. In 2 table 90, how many times? Cancel. 2 table 9. 8 means 4 times 10. 5 means 45 times. So x degrees equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Now substitute here. 45, 45, 90. 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. Okay. Now we'll see the next one. Now see the next triangle. X degrees, X degrees, X degrees, E, T, degrees. Here x, here also must be x. Here x means here also x degrees. So right here. Also in angle LET, see angle L plus angle E plus angle T equal to 180 degrees means angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay. Now angle L means how much we got it? X degrees plus angle E means x degrees plus angle T means x degrees equal to 180 degrees. So x plus x. How many x you are having? 3. So 3x degrees equal to 180 degrees. So I want x value. So I have to transpose 3 to 1 right side. So when I am transposing here multiplication, when I am transposing it becomes division. So x degrees equal to 180 degrees by 3. In 3 table 18. How many times? 6 3s are 18. So 60 degrees. Therefore x degrees equal to how much I got it? 60 degrees. Okay children, the second sum completed. In the next class we will see the third sums. Okay, thank you.